Welcome to this tutorial. How to delete Instagram account. When you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. Here are the steps about how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Step 1. It isn't possible to delete your Instagram account using mobile apps. So, go to the Instagram desktop site, here, https://instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent/. If you are not signed in, you will be asked to sign in. Step 2. Select an option from the drop-down menu next to "Why are you deleting your account?" Step 3. Re-enter your password. The option to permanently delete your account will only appear after you have selected a reason from the menu. Step 4. Click or tap "Permanently delete my account." Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.